originally life, working for Mark Wills and Sandy Kershaw. Bo back here on the drums, he worked for Trace Atkins and Chris Cagle for a long time. And Mo, are any of you old enough to remember a band called Dr. Hook?
Yeah!
Mo spent 14 years with the band Dr. Hook. Would you like to do one of your Dr. Hook hits? It's a good bunch to sing to. Mo Thaxton Was one more time.
Okay, here we go. Hey, woo! Hey, tell them who we are. We're big rock singers, we got a golden finger, and we're loved everywhere we go. Almost. We sing about beauty and we sing about truth. A $10 million bill. We sing all around, give us all kind of thrill. The thrill it's a thrill that is just when you get your bridge on a cover out of Rolling Stone. Sing it, Rolling Stone. Wanna see my bitch on a Rolling Stone. Wanna die by nothing, wanna see my y'all know that sound like a damn good idea to me. Here we go.
I got my whole gray hair moving around my lemon zane.
Now it's all the time to go out west, but I won't really know. I can know that you when you get your bitch on the cover out of Rolling Stone. Come on, y'all, Rolling Stone. Wanna see my bitch on the Rolling Stone. Wanna die, Rolling Stone. Wanna see my hey, y'all, this little country man knows I do what this right here.
Folks, let me apologize for that outburst.
I thought it was beautiful.
Sometimes some overdid for our 60s and 70s. Thanks for back in these 60s and 70s.
Hey, wait, that sounds like a real good idea. To forget about being 60 or 70.
I can do the 70s again.
Yeah, one more time. I think I could survive it. One more time.
Maybe.
Maybe. Nah. We got a lot of anything we say. We got a genuine Native American. Where's it at? Bringing the guitar to play. We got all the friends that money can buy. So we're now the and we keep getting richer, but we can't get our picture on the cover of a Rolling Stone. No Rolling Stone. Wanna see my picture on the Rolling Stone. Wanna die by nothing, Rolling Stone. Wanna see my sing it. Rolling Stone. Wanna see my picture on the Rolling Stone. Everybody Rolling Stone. Wanna see my
There you go, folks. Didn't want to Dr. Hook hits for you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, yes.